Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, this is So with Ellen. So on this today tutorial is exaggerated hip dress that I made for my babies on their birthday. If it's something you like to watch and learn, please kindly stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So I really focus on the pattern drafting and the down part of this dress. So I came down by 1 inch for my starting line. I also get the waist line, which is 7 inches, but I later use 8 inches. Okay, so I'm marking the line across and I'm going to connect the line. So from there I'm going to get my shoulder line, which is 4.5, and come down by 0.25 for their shoulder slope. They are still babies, they are 2 years old. So, and the neck width is 2.5 inches, the neck depth 2 inches, as you can see. So I'm confirming it, to make it accurate. So I'm going to use my French curve now to get the round neckline. So it's very easy, guys. So from the shoulder slope, I'm going to connect it to meet the neck width. So from there, I'm going to come down by 4 inches for their armhole line. So what I have on the shoulder line, I'm marking it on the armhole line so I can get a straight line. From there, I'm going to connect a straight line there. That is now my armhole line. So I'm going to extend the line out. So this is just a simple way to draft a basic bodice for kids, for children. So this is just a basic bodice. So this is my chest line and my waistline. I just hope you guys are getting what I'm doing. So now is to get the armhole curve, we'll divide the armhole line by 2. Remember I mark 4 there, divide by 2, which is 2. So that is how to get the midpoint. You come out by 0.5 inch. You can decide to come out by 0. You can decide to just curve it like that. So now divide the chest into 4 by 4 and mark it there. Their chest is 21 plus 1 inch allowance, that's 22. So that's what I marked there to get the armhole curve. So most babies, their chest and their waist is the same thing. So for my babies, their chest and waist is the same thing. So I'm marking what I have on the chest line down to the waistline. You can see the same 5.5. I'll mark it at the waistline. But you can measure your own child to know if it's different. But I don't think there's much different. The difference there is just maybe 0.5 or 1 inch. So I'm using my marker to make the lines more visible. So this is basically how to draft a basic bodice. So on that part, I'm going to add 1 inch for my journey allowance. So I'm going to cut it out now. So so for the back, I'm going to use 2 inches seam for zipper line. I'm going to mark the 2 inches all across like this. So this is my zipper line. So I'm going to label it. So from there, from after the zipper line, just place your front on it. Use your pin to hold it down. So this is how to get the back. After removing your zipper allowance, just place your front and cut it out. Then the back neckline. So I came down for the depth by 1 inch. Remember the neck width for the front and back is the same thing. So the neck depth, you can do it whichever way you like. So to remove a zipper bulge, I'm going to go in by 1/2 inch and blend it to meet the neckline a little and cut it out. So I'm going to cut that part out. So that's it. So our basic bodice is ready. So this is how to draft a basic body, even both for adults and children is almost the same thing. So if you watch to this extent, please kindly subscribe, like this video, help me to share videos so that this can motivate me to create more content on sewing tutorials. Thank you. So for the back, I'm not going to make this so fast. So remember your front, the upper part, the measurement you are working from for. So determine how you cut this dress. So for the upper part, remember we have 7.5, which I later used to 8. So I want the total dress length of this dress to be 20 inches. So I'm going to remove 8 from 20 inches. So that's what I will use to cut the down part. I just hope you are getting it. So that's what I marked there, the length of the dress, and 1 inches for the sewing allowance. So from the waist, I mark the waist divide by 4, which is 5.5, the 22 that I use. So on the hip part, I mark same 5.5, then I added 2 inches. You can see 2 inches for the exaggerated hip. Also for the down part, I also added 2 inches, because anything you are marking on the hip part, you are equally marking it on the down of the dress. The only difference is from the waist. You put the exact waist measurement, which is 5.5. For the hip, I use 5.5 plus 2 inches for the exaggerated effect. I just hope you understand. Please just watch the video again, you understand. So let me use my marker and make the line visible. So this hip part, I added 2 extra inches to the hip to give it that effect, and equally mark the same. What I have on the hip is what I mark on the down part of the dress. You understand now? So this is it's very simple. If you don't understand, please just watch the video again and again, so you understand. So I'm going to cut it out. Also for the back of the skirt part, there's no much difference. Just remove your zipper allowance, the 2 inches, and place your skirt on it and cut it out. It's very easy, guys. So you can see 2 inches. So we'll be needing our boning, the fabric as usual, and then paper stay, art stay. You can get peplum stay, also the paper stay, and the lining. So that's the material we are going to use to make this dress. So I'm going to place the fabric on it and cut everything out, both the paper stay, the lining, the art stay. So we use it to cut out the lining also. So I'm not really focusing on the upper part, because I believe most of us can sew a basic bodice. So I'm not focusing on the upper part. My focus is on the pattern drafting and the down part of the dress. So I just showed this so that you can see the process of how I made this. So right now I have cut out my art add stay. You can get peplum stay if you want. I've ironed it with my lining. So you can see I use my pen to mark the shape out. It's very, very important. Calm down, mark the shape so that you can get the shape of what you are working on. Remember, your lining will be shorter than the main fabric with 1 inch for the turning part. So we are going to go and stitch it down like so. After stitching, I will show you what it look like. Also, for the fabric, I added my paper stay. You can see. Please make sure when you are sewing, you mark it. Follow the shape of the exaggerated hip, and so that it can come out really fine. So after sewing, I've sewn the fabric, the lining. I've also added the boning to the lining. Please don't allow the boning to get to the down part. You can stop after 1 inch. You can see. So this is what it look like. So when you want to turn with the lining, the boning, you are sewing it on the lining. I think I lost a clip of that when I was sewing it to the lining. The boning should be on the lining. So this is what I got after sewing it. You can see how beautiful it is. So this is what it looked like. So I'm going to add the upper part and the down part together. So after joining, you'll see what it look like. So always measure to reconfirm the length you are working on. So this is it after joining, as you can see. So I'm going to fix my zipper. I'm going to fix the zipper to the both dress. Also, I'm going to add my sleeve, the net sleeve. So remember, I also added an exaggerated sleeve, so that one will be on the next video. So this is just a basic sleeve. So it will have a little pleat at the shoulder, so I added like extra 2 inches on it. This is just like a basic sleeve. So that's all, guys, for this part. So the next part will be on the exaggerated look, and here is the final look for the dress. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.